Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to write a Java program to calculate sum of the array element. So, let's solve this problem before wasting the time. So, just come here inside of the main method. This is the main method. First of all, you have to create the one array. Let's take in the symbol of array. Then name of the array, let's take numbers. Why numbers? S is there because there are multiple values inside of this array. That is why. So five. Let's take five. Whatever you want, you can take it. 10, 15, and 20, 25. Then end with semicolon. Curly braces and end with semicolon. This is the our array element which is stored in the numbers object. This is the numbers object. It's not a variables over here because array is an object. Then inside of here, you just need a one variables. Let's take sum. The initial values of sum is 0, where you have to store your all the array element. So let's take a for each loop. For each, take int number. If you know that the for each loop, so it's easy for you because it's a very easy way to solve the sum of the array. You can solve by the for loop as well. So this column here number. This is the very simple uh, for each loop. So what is happening here when you are creating the for each loop for int number column numbers. The whatever the value is present in the numbers variable here, numbers variable, whatever the value is present, it will be coming inside the number as well. Then what you have to do, just a simple logic, sum plus equal to number. If you have done the basics programs, then you can easily to solve these problems. It's not a big deal to solve this problem. Then the our logic part is done. What you have to do, just print the our sum of the numbers. Let's take system.out.println. Inside of this, just write the some context to understand what is happening here. So let's take sum of the element in the array, then column space concatenate. The plus operator is just doing the concatenate inside of the system.out.println. When we have a string, then after a string you have to write some variables to print the your values or calling your method. You have to use the concatenate over here. Some now run it and see what we will getting. See, we will getting the sum of the element in the array is 75. I hope you will understand this because it's not a big deal to solving the array sum of the element. If you understand what is happening in internally, simple thing, just come here, just come here. Let me comment out what is happening here. First, the 5 came. The next time, 5 plus 10 came. What we will getting? 15. Okay, we will get the 15. 15. Next time, then 15 plus 20. What we will getting? Another values that is 35. This is the way of your sum of the numbers is calculated. That's all for today's videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.